Good morning, children. Welcome back. So, today I wanted to take up the lesson Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Page number 268, chapter is 15. Okay. Now, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. What do you mean by adolescence? So, adolescence is a transition period between childhood and adulthood. So, you will not be now in 8th class onwards, you will not be no more called as a child and no more called as a adult. So, this is this transition period. So, the age 13 to 19 will be called as a teenage period. This period is called adolescent period. Now we will discuss what are the changes takes place in your body, mind, and how to take care of your personality. Everything we will discuss in this lesson, right? Living organisms reproduce to increase their number and maintain their species in the nature. So most living organisms are able to reproduce only after a certain age in their life cycle. It's not that as soon as they take birth they immediately reproduce. They can't do that. So there is certain age. They have to get certain age, then they will be capable of reproducing and producing the young ones. So adolescence is a transitional stage that occurs between childhood and adulthood. So this stage of physical and mental development, lot of physical and mental development takes place in this particular period. So adolescent period is called taken, adolescent word is taken from the Latin word adolescere. Adolescere means to grow into maturity. Okay. During initial phase of adolescence, there are changes in the body. The adolescents become aware of physical changes they are going through. This phase is between 12 to 15 years of age is called early adolescent period. Hence, these changes marked it as puberty. So, what do you mean by puberty? Now, I am defining puberty. Puberty is the period during which rapid physical growth and some psychological changes occur which leads to sexual maturity. This definition is there in page number 269. Okay, so puberty is the period during which rapid physical growth and some psychological changes occur, so which leads to sexual maturity. So the most generally puberty ends in an adolescence reaches a reproductive maturity. Generally boys will have at the age of 12 years onwards the puberty starts. For girls it will be little early, that is 10 years. So puberty is, the word puberty is derived from a Latin word pubertas, which means age of manhood. It is not particular that every girl will reach the puberty period at the age of 10 and boy will be at the age of 12. So every person will have their own timetable for puberty. This is influenced primarily by heredity, environmental factors such as diet, exercise, and other factors also will influence the puberty period. Now what happens in this, what are the changes that takes place in our body at the age of puberty or during puberty? So first one is increase in height. So first point is increase in height. Second one, change in the size of heart and lungs. Third one is change in body shape. Fourth one, change in voice. Fifth one, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. And also a big side heading is another one is that sexual development. So all these points will lead, how they will help, we will discuss. The onset of the puberty period usually result in the dramatic, sudden and visible increase in the height and weight. So you can feel that you are suddenly became very tall. So after 1 year, if any of your relative or someone watched you, observed you, then they will feel that you became very tall. So this is because the in the adolescent period, very fast you will grow. In height and weight, not only height and weight, particularly arms and legs will grow faster than the rest of the body. So how it will feel, like awkward look will be there, but once this awkwardness will be disappear once full growth of the body has been attained. Now then one activity I wanted to give. Before that, just this slide let me complete. The spurt in physical growth is more evident in girls between 11 to 13 years of age, and it is between 13 to 15 years of age for boys. I wanted to give a small activity, children. Here, I think you will have your old progress cards, report cards. In the report cards, you may be having your height and weight. So take one graph sheet. So your age in the years, x-axis, and on the y-axis, your height. Or you don't have this progress cards, or anywhere your mother parents might have noted down somewhere in some book or somewhere. So take that data and do this graph sheet. So how to do? And on x-axis age, and on y-axis you have to take your height in centimeters. So take the scale properly and do it. And if anyone is interested, and your weight also you maintain, then height and weight both you maintain on 2 graph sheets. Otherwise, if you are not interested to do for your weight, you just do it your height. So you can see really when you are very fast you are growing, you can identify, right? Here in this slide you can observe that girls will grow faster than boys, and girls puberty also will begins earlier than boys. So here 8 years onwards the growth percentage is given. So by 8 years girls and boys will start their growth pattern 77%, but boys will continue up to 18 years, but the girls it will be almost reaches their complete fullest will be reached by 16 years, 99.5%. So 16 years means up to 10th class girls will grow, after that almost their growth will be nil, but boys will grow up to 18 years. So intermediate second year up to second year they may grow, but the girls will grow up to 10th class. So that's why you have to do good exercises, skipping, and all the growth related activities. If you do, you will grow taller. Small funny activity you can do. How much you will be growing in your lifetime? Just you can do this calculation. See here your present height by percentage of your full height at that age. The previous slide I have mentioned, into 100. So with that if you calculate what is your now height, present height, by how much percentage at your age into 100 centimeters. So total how long or how tall you will become, you can identify. Okay, so find out and tell me who is the tallest boy or tallest girl in the class, right? Very funny, no?